Hi everyone, I'm Sean. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use the Revopoint Trackit to scan objects. Let's take this agricultural engine in the video as an example. A lot of laser scanners on the market still rely on using many scanning markers to complete a scan. But placing those markers correctly is actually a skill. If they're off, it can lead to missing data or distortion in the scan. That's something beginners often run into. Trackit was designed to reduce the need for markers and make the whole process much more user-friendly. Before we start scanning, let's set up the scanning environment. Keep a distance of about 3 meters between the tracker and the object. Place a turntable under the object so you can easily rotate it during the scan. Then, position the trackers around the object so the Trackit system can accurately track its direction and spatial position. With this setup, you can stay in one fixed position and scan just rotate the turntable, and the object will be fully captured. Now, let's talk about one of Trackit's special features, multi-position scan mode. Before starting the scan, I'll add a few tracker positions in the software. This helps the system remember different angles and makes it easier for the scanner to track the object. What's cool is, if you're scanning multiple objects that are roughly the same size and shape, you don't need to move the tracking balls, you can just swap out the object and keep scanning. No recalibration needed. That really speeds up the workflow. This scan took just a little over 10 minutes to collect the point cloud data. Most of the time afterward was spent on the computer, merging the data and refining the details. And here's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I'll be sharing more related content soon, so stay tuned.